Celebrating Kwanzaa, a cultural exploration. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a very special topic that resonates with many around the globe: Kwanzaa. This celebration is not just a holiday but a rich cultural tradition that offers a window into African American heritage. Join us as we uncover the meaning and significance of Kwanzaa celebrations. Kwanzaa is a week-long celebration held in the United States from December 26th to January 1st. It was created in 1966 by Dr. Maulana Karenga, a professor of Africana Studies, to honor African heritage in African American culture. The name Kwanzaa derives from the Swahili phrase, Matunda ya Kwanza, meaning, first fruits of the harvest. This celebration emphasizes values of family, community responsibility, commerce, and self-improvement. A core aspect of Kwanzaa is its focus on the Nguzo Saba, or the Seven Principles. Each day of Kwanzaa is dedicated to one of these principles. 1. Umoja, unity, striving for and maintaining unity in the family, community, nation, and race. 2. Kujichagulia, self-determination, defining ourselves, naming ourselves, creating for ourselves, and speaking for ourselves. 3. Ujima, collective work and responsibility, building and maintaining our community together and making our brothers and sisters' problems our problems and solving them together. 4. Ujamaa, cooperative economics, building and maintaining our own stores, shops, and other businesses and to profit from them together. 5. Nia, purpose, making our collective vocation the building and developing of our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. 6. Kumba, creativity, doing always as much as we can, in the way we can, in order to leave our community more beautiful and beneficial than we inherited it. 7. Amani, faith, believing with all our heart in our people, our parents, our teachers, our leaders, and the righteousness and victory of our struggle. Kwanzaa celebrations include a variety of symbols and activities that reflect African heritage. Mazao, the crops, representing the harvest fruits that nourish the community. Kinara, the candle holder, holding 7 candles that represent the 7 principles. Mishima Saba, the 7 candles. 3 green, 3 red, and 1 black, each lighting to represent the principles. Kakombe cha Umoja, the unity cup, used to perform the libation ceremony, a tribute to ancestors. Zawadi, gifts, symbolic of the labor and love of parents and the commitments made and kept by the children. Kwanzaa is more than just a holiday. It's a celebration of culture, community, and the shared values that bind us together. As we've explored today, the traditions and principles of Kwanzaa offer profound insights into African American heritage and the universal quest for unity, purpose, and self-determination. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of Kwanzaa and inspired you to learn more about the cultures that make up our world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content soon. Happy Kwanzaa, and see you in the next video.